Foul odors coming from your lift station or sumps can be a nuisance for workers or anybody nearby. Luckily, Estate has a few different solutions to this very issue. Blanket 510 Wintergreen, Cherry Float, and Orange Buoy all work similarly to solve your odor problems you could be facing. As you can see from my beaker that contain water and a layer of fast oils and grease at the top, which is what causes your odors, as I pour Orange Buoy into the beaker, you will notice that the product floats to the top, covering the layers that is causing your odor problems. These layers of Orange Buoy, Cherry Float, and Blanket 510 on the top of the layers of fat not only block the odors from escaping from your lift stations or sumps, but also release a pleasant fragrance solving your odor issues. If you're interested in a powerful solution to a foul-smelling problem, head over to www.stateindustrial.com to learn more about each of these products or to get in contact with one of our sales professionals.